Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your SCADA logs look like Swiss cheese, 40% data gaps, sensor dropouts, 3 different logging systems, and your technical due diligence starts in 8 weeks. You need a bankable baseline, and everyone's telling you it's impossible. Messy SCADA is the norm, not the exception. Inverter communication failures, data logger replacements that wiped history, sensor drift nobody caught for 6 months, time zone errors in exports, incomplete weather station records. Traditional consultants look at this and say, we'll use P50 model estimates. Translation, we're guessing and buyers will know it. The result, you can't prove what your asset actually did. You can't defend underperformance claims and you can't sell at full value. Retro building a bankable baseline requires forensic grade data reconstruction. Step 1, pattern-based gap filling. Our AI agents analyze correlated strings and inverters. If string 12 dropped offline, but strings 11, 11, and 13 log data, we reconstruct string 12 using irradiance normalized interpolation with statistical confidence bounds. Step 2, satellite irradiance validation. We cross-reference SCADA production against satellite measured irradiance for your exact coordinates. Step 3, drone forensics. Thermal and visual imaging lets us backdate issues. If we see a hotspot pattern consistent with 6 months of age, we can retroactively flag that period. Step 4, multi-source weather normalization using Bayesian inference. Output, a reconstructed SCADA dataset that's statistically defensible, gap-filled with confidence intervals. A 200 MB portfolio had catastrophic SCADA gaps, entire months missing due to logger failures. Our reconstruction process filled 61% of gaps using AI-based string correlation, validated remaining 39% against satellite irradiance and neighboring site production, and delivered a continuous 36-month baseline with plus minus 2.1% confidence intervals. The asset manager used this in refinancing negotiations. Lenders accepted the reconstructed baseline without additional technical review. Deal closed at full valuation. Messy SCADA doesn't have to kill your deal. Visit ClearSpot AI and request a SCADA reconstruction audit. You'll get gap filling analysis with confidence scoring, sensor drift detection and correction, weather normalized production reconciliation, and a bankable baseline report lenders and buyers will accept. Turn your data mess into a defensible asset history. ClearSpot AI, because gaps in SCADA don't mean gaps in value. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.